Well, I was wondering what would be the best gift for you on your birthday, but I realized you already have the best. But because it's your birthday, I'm going to say some nice things about you. My journey with you over the last 6 months has been nothing but beautiful. You've brought in so much of positivity and care that I couldn't have asked for more in a partner. So on your birthday, both our families have come together to send you truckloads of wishes. Keep watching.
दोनों आदम खुश से रहना, सब आराम से रहना, यही मेरी कामना है बस।
तुम्हारे जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू सुखू एंड पूजा।
बार दिल ये आए, बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू आदित्य, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। गॉड ब्लेस यू, मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हाँ जी।
घर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, सौ दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन। I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर आदित्य।
We will miss you on your birthday, beta.
हैप्पी बर्थडे। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday.
बर्थडे डियर सुखू मामा। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलो।
I do this and get him happy birthday. Mama, don't trouble me.
Happy birthday to you, beta. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday सुखू भैया।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Sukhu bhaiya. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your last bachelorhood birthday bhaiya. Wish you a very happy birthday. Bye. Bye.
Many happy returns.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Pratika,
Happy birthday.
happy birthday.
Hi Jiju, wish you a very 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 happy birthday, and I'm looking forward to the parties on 9th and 11th, and I'm sure that we are going to enjoy like there is no tomorrow, and drink and dance like there is no tomorrow.
Wish you a very happy birthday भैया।
Hi Sukhu, wish you a very happy birthday bhai. May you have a wonderful day and year ahead. We are eagerly waiting for this pandemic to get over so that we can all get together and party hard.
Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday mama. Happy
Hello.
Hi. So I just wanted to say that you are the best brother-in-law that I could have wished for. In you, I have found both a friend and a brother. And on this special occasion of yours, I want to wish you loads of love and happiness.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Flying
Happy
kiss.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Sukhu bhaiya. Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday. Have a fantastic year.
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई बेटा। श्री जी की कृपा हमेशा तुम्हारे पर बनी रहे, चाही अनचाही हर खुशियाँ तुमको मिले।
हैप्पी बर्थडे सुकू।
Happy birthday, Sukhu. God has given you such a beautiful smile and lovely partner. May you have this happiness and smile forever.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मस्त मामू.
हाय भैया, जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. आई एम सॉरी फॉर दिस ऑकवर्ड फेस, नॉट यूज्ड टू दिस, बट थैंक्स टू भाभी कुछ नया करने को मिल रहा है. सी यू वेरी सून and hope you have an awesome day ahead.
Hello Aditya, wishing you a very happy birthday and wishing you all health and happiness. This year is a very special year for you, so all our blessings to you.
Many happy returns of the day, Aditya. Wish you all the best and luck and hope all your dreams come true. All the best.
Happy birthday and happy engagement, Sukhu Chacha. Have a great day and have a great life.
What's up, Sukhu? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sukhu.
Happy birthday, Sukhu. Happy birthday. Enjoy yourselves. Have a great time.
Have a great year ahead.
Have fun. See you.
उसमें फिर मिलाई जाए थोड़ी सी शराब, होगा यूं नशा जो तैयार. वो प्यार है शोखियों में घोला
जाए थोड़ी सी शराब. तुमको जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. विश यू many happy returns of the day. May you always be happy. May you always keep smiling. All the best.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Sukhu. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy returns of the day, buddy. Hope you have a great birthday and wish you all the good health to you as well as your near and dear ones. And hope you stay as true as you stay in the court and also be the fun for us as always. Goodbye and hope you enjoy the day.
जीजा का साला, सूर्या शैतान, बॉबी शैतान.
Happy birthday, Jiju. Hope you have a great year. And why will you not? After all, Pooja Di is coming into your life. Really hope to meet you soon. Have an amazing birthday. I'm sure Pooja Di is doing lots to pamper you. Have a great year. Bye. Take care.
Happy birthday. A very happy birthday. Well, we can say, at least I can say, that we are born in the same year and lived for 33 odd number of years together.
अయ్యో गड़ू में क्या इसके आगे नहीं बोलने का, ना तो बोलने का जी. हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया. अच्छा, दक्ष इज आल्सो विशिंग हिज ताऊजी अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. ठीक है, वो इसी तरीके से विश करता है.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सुखू. ये तो तुम्हारा स्पेशल बर्थडे है, but birthdays are always special. And have a great time and a great year, the greatest one in fact, in many years to come. और बहुत अच्छे से रहो, बहुत उन्नति करो and look after your near and dear ones. और हम लोग सब बहुत खुश हैं तुम्हारे लिए और पूजा के लिए. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sooks. You know you and I have a deal. You have to pick me up and drop me every time, no matter what. So don't forget that. पूजा को पहले से बोल देना. Wish you a very happy birthday and a very special year. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sukhu Mama.
Bye.
आदित्य, मैं ललिता बुआ जी बोल रही हूँ. जन्मदिन की बहुत बधाई हो. खुश रहिए, आगे तरक्की करिए.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सुक्कू भैया.
हेलो, हैप्पी बर्थडे सुक्कू चाचा. Many happy returns of the day. Also congrats on the engagement.
Oh भैया, what's up? Many happy returns of the day. May you enjoy this life and enjoy your day to the fullest.
Hi Aditya.
Hello.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Have a blast.
Enjoy to the fullest. Get
Cheers.
pampered. Bye.
Happy birthday to you, Sukhu.
Many happy returns of the day, dear. Enjoy your life.
So welcome to our family, Jiju. A very very happy birthday to you, and hope to see you soon.
Hi Aditya, this is Vedant here. Happy birthday to you.
बोल बेटा क्या तोहफा भेजूं, सोना भेजूं या चांदी भेजूं? पूजा तू ही बता, ऐसा कौन सा चीज भेजूं जो खुद कोहिनूर है उसे हीरा तो क्या भेजूं?
क्या कहूँ मैं अपने दोस्त आदित्य के बारे में। अगर मुझे आदित्य की कोई रेसिपी बनानी हो तो मैं बोलूँगा एक गिलास में हंसी लें, उसमें खूब खरी सारी खुशी घोल दें और उसमें शरारत के सारे रंग भर दें। बस हो जाएगा आपका हंसता खेलता शरारती आदित्य तैयार। आदित्य हमारे टीम का लकी मैस्कट है। ही इज़ अ हैप्पी गो लकी पर्सन। देयर इज़ नेवर अ डल मोमेंट व्हेन आदित्य इज़ अराउंड with his ever smiling face, non-stop jokes, his raucous laughter, his effervescent energy. In these lonely lockdown times, we have really missed him.
Happy birthday, dear mama, who is not dear. Happy birthday to you.
You are the first bhaiyas जिनको I have been able to open up about certain few things. You're the first few ones who I have opened up to, and I'm really glad that you could be that person.
नए जीवन में प्रवेश कर रहे हो, पूजा को भी खूब खुश रखना, खुद भी खुश रहना और हमको जल्दी से दादी बना देना।
Yes, we're going to do a party in Thailand because I don't know if you remember, but in February when we had the cousins meet and हम लोग सब छेड़ रहे थे कि अब तुम्हारा शादी करने का बहुत जरूरत है. It just turns out that you already found a girl, you're getting married, and we won't be there.
That was quick, by the way.
It was quick, but we're happy for you.
We will talk about that.
Congratulations again, and have a fantastic year. Have a fantastic wedding. Have a fantastic life together.
And have a fantastic birthday also.
And a very good birthday as well.
Have a good birthday. Have a good time, and take care of yourself.
Love you. Bye.
All right. Bye.
आदित्य, शादी के बाद हस्बैंड मत हो जाना।
Your days of bullying others is over because now you are going to be the scapegoat.
Hi Suku Mama, I have a joke for you. Why did the calendar feel so popular? Guess. Because it had a lot of dates. And guess what? You can't have any dates because you are married.
Best wishes for the new journey that you're about to begin.
इस बार पूजा के साथ मना लो, अगली बार बेबी के साथ भी मनाना. Have a threesome birthday next year.
Baby foursome.
Missing you भैया, हम लोग साथ में होते तो बहुत पार्टी करते. आपकी पार्टी ड्यू रही. हमारी तरफ से भी दारू पी लेना. और भी जो कुछ पीना चाहे पी सकते हो.
Hope you guys have a wonderful married life. We are waiting for your marriage day, the D-Day.
Are you going for your honeymoon to Thailand? Where are you going?
Don't go to Thailand, a lot of people will recognize you.
Okay, so you can't get married without us. That's the first thing. 50 के guest list में हम लोग का नाम होना चाहिए.
Cheers.
और कोई हो नहीं हो. Cheers to you.
So we thought as a birthday present for you,
Exactly.
we're going to give you some marriage advice.
This is going to be the most valuable birthday gift ever.
Ever, yeah.
Ever. So the marriage advice that we have to give you is the first advice for you, young man,
Is should I go?
the first one. No, I'll go first.
Okay.
Because you know.
Okay.
That's how marriages work. The wife is always right. Haha! You didn't expect that.
Perfect.
Wife is always
Perfect.
right.
10 points.
Always remember that. First advice.
And my advice is that never laugh at your wife's choices because you're one of them.
It's just a trick question or a trick statement, so don't believe that completely.
Okay, what's your second advice?
I've forgotten what my second advice is.
I think we wrote it down.
Right. It is a tough one. So if you have 20 bucks and your wife has $5, then your wife has 25 bucks.
Perfect. Always remember that.
Very intelligent stuff, huh? That I've written down, huh?
And the fourth piece of advice is that always hold hands together because if you let go of your wife's hand, she's going to start shopping.
With those 25 bucks. Remember? All our advice is linked, huh?
Okay, so this is for my Jiju, whom I never got to meet, but who still deserves a welcome from me. आप आए हैं इस बगियन में, आप आए हैं इस बगियन में, फूल खिले हैं गुलशन गुलशन, फूल खिले हैं गुलशन गुलशन.
Welcome to the family, and just like me, I think you're going to have a great time with all of us. Thank you.
Hello Aditya, you are the most wonderful inclusion in my family. Now, after your arrival, I am confident that my old days will be very joyful because of you.
Have a great day and welcome to our gang.
वेलकम टू आवर फैमिली आदित्य.
ऐ दिल लाया है बहार, अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना, मिले हम छलक उठा, खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना, खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा.